Hello students, welcome back to this session of English language. In the previous session, we have discussed some of the rules and structures of active and passive voice. Now in this part 2 active and passive voice video, we will further discuss our past tense and future tense. Now without wasting any further time, let's head over to the simple past tense. So our next category is past tense. We have completed our present tense. So next category is past tense. The first one is simple past. Okay, since the structure of active voice of simple past tense is subject plus second form of the verb plus object. Subject plus form of the verb plus object. Here, when we will just convert into passive voice, object will go in place of subject. Then the helping verb of simple past tense is used according to the singular or plural of object, then plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. Now for example, our sentence is Ram ate mango. Here Ram is your subject, ate is your second form of the verb, and mango is your object. So mango will go in place of subject, so it will become mango. Then as mango is singular, so we will use was with it, because helping verb of simple present tense are was and were. Was and were. It's not working. Okay, so helping verb of simple past tense are was and were. ws was, were were. So as mango is singular, so we will use was with it. Then third form of the verb, that is eaten by, then your subject, that is Ram. Suppose your sentence would be did Ram eat mango? Did Ram eat mango? Did Ram eat mango? So did is the helping verb of simple past tense. Here mango is our what? Object, so it will come in place of subject. Did Ram eat mango? So here we know that in case of interrogative sentence we have to put helping verb first according to the object. So object is singular here, mango, so the helping verb used is was mango. Then again third form of the verb eaten by Ram, question mark. This will be the answer. Now let's head towards past continuous tense. The all the things will be same, whole structure will be same, but instead of is am are, we will use was oblique verb. Was in case of singular and were in case of plural. Otherwise the structure is similar to present continuous tense. So let us see what is the structure for active voice. Subject plus was oblique verb plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. If we will convert into passive voice, we will use object in place of subject. Then according to the object, if the object is singular, then was is used, and if the object is plural, were is used. Plus I have already told you that in case of continuous tense the word being is used. So after helping verb the word being is used, then third form of the verb plus by plus subject. Now for example, Ram was eating mango. So mango will come in place of Ram, as mango is singular, so was is used, then being, the word being is used, then third form of the verb eat, that is eaten, then by, then our subject Ram. For example, if I say that three men were loading the truck. Okay, next sentence. I will not do this. Sentence is, were you writing a letter? Suppose it is a interrogative sentence. Were you writing a letter? So we will use helping verb first according to the object. A letter. A letter is what? Singular. So we will use the helping verb was. Was, then your object was a letter. Then what I told you, third form of the verb, write. The third form of write is written. So was a letter written, then by. Okay, one mistake is there. Was a letter being written. Okay, here word being is also used as it is continuous tense. So was a letter being written by you. So this will be our answer. Was a letter being written by you. Now let's go to present perfect tense. The helping verb here used in the case of past perfect tenses had. Everything, every structure, each and everything will be same. Just the helping verb had is to be used. In case of present perfect tense, we were using has oblique have, but in case of past perfect tense, only had is used. So the structure of active voice is subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object. Now when we will convert into passive voice, object will come in place of subject, plus we will use the helping verb had, plus with the, in case of perfect tense, in passive voice the word been is used. So had plus been plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. For example, the sentence is Ram had eaten mango. So we'll just put mango in place of Ram. As here only had is used, so had, then the word been is used, then third form of the verb eat is eaten by Ram. Suppose my sentence, suppose for example I give you the sentence, had you eaten your lunch? Question mark. So we will use the helping verb first, had, then object is lunch, had lunch, then what I told you, the word been is used, had lunch been, then third form of the verb eaten by you. In case of interrogative, like this it will be formed, had plus object plus been plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject, question mark. Okay, so here on this past tense is over, then we will head to future tense. In future tense, only simple future tense and future perfect tense will be transformed to passive voice. Future continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense does not get converted to passive voice. So let us see what is the active voice structure of simple future tense. Subject plus will oblique shall plus first form of the verb plus object. So object will go in place of subject, then helping verb for simple future is your will oblique shall plus word be is used plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. For example, here the word be is used, just keep it in your head. So the example is Ram will eat mango. So Ram is the subject, will oblique shall is your helping verb, eat first form of the verb and mango object. When we will convert into passive voice, Mango will go in place of Ram. Then the helping verb will. Then I told you that be is used. Then third form of the verb, that is eaten by Ram. Okay. Suppose I give you the interrogative sentence. Will Ram eat mango? This is your interrogative case. So what will be the answer? Will, helping verb as it is rahega, will. Then your object will mango. Then I told you to use the word here be. Okay, be is used here. The word be is used here. So will mango be, then third form of the verb eaten, then by, then your subject, that is Ram. Will mango be eaten by Ram? Now let's go towards future perfect tense. The active voice structure of future perfect tense is subject plus will oblique shall plus have plus third form of the verb plus object. Passive voice will become object plus helping verb, that is will oblique shall, plus your have, plus I have already told you that in case of perfect tense the word been is used, so after helping verb been is used, plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. Now for example, if I say, here the example is missing, I am writing it. Ram will have eaten mango. Eaten mango. Ram will have eaten mango. So the answer will be mango. Then we will use will oblique shall. So will. Mango will. Then have is used. Then been. Plus third form of the verb, that is eaten. Then by. Then Ram. So mango will have been eaten by Ram. So this will be the answer. One thing more, students, let us see few more sentences. In case if the question is in active voice and it is starting with who, then in passive voice who becomes by whom. For example, if I say who teaches you English, this sentence is in your simple present tense. This sentence is in your simple present tense. Okay, who teaches you English? Because here is first form of the verb plus s oblique es. Now I told you when we convert into passive voice, who becomes by whom. Okay, so by whom, then helping verb, because you use the object here. Okay, so according to the object, helping verb is used, so are is used. So by whom are you? Teach ka third form taught, then your subject is English. By whom are you taught English? Let's see the second sentence. Are you loading the truck? Here the sentence is in present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, because here are plus first form of the verb plus ing. So the structure is of present continuous tense. So we will start it with the help of helping verb. Now here the truck is the object. The truck is singular. So we'll use the helping verb is. So is the truck. Then I have told you to use the word being in case of continuous tense. So being, then third form of the verb, load ka third form loaded, then by, then your subject, that is you. So the answer will be is the truck being loaded by you. Now one more sentence. Have you taken the lunch? This type we have done earlier also. Have you taken the lunch? So the lunch here, it is your present perfect. Okay, this is the interrogative of present. This sentence is the interrogative of present perfect. The pen is not working correctly. I hope you will understand it. Present perfect, because have is used and third form of the verb. So in case of this, we see that what is our object, and according to that we use has oblique have. So the lunch is singular, so has the lunch. Then I have told you, in case of perfect tense, the word been is used. So has the lunch, then been, then third form of the verb that is taken, then by, then you. So students, this was all about active and passive voice. Suppose your sentence in exam is given in passive voice, so you have to convert into active voice. So same structures that I have told you will be used. Whether you convert into from active to passive or from passive to active, the structures will be the same. So in the next, so this was the explanation of active and passive voice. Okay students, thank you so much.